If you go quick, Kay, you can get out, yeah?
Just put your hands on the bloody steering wheel. No one's impressed.
I got a little wet patch on my mirror. I'd rather have a wet patch on my mirror than a wet patch in my bed. No, that's not true. I'd rather have the wet patch in my bed.
That's a lie, yeah.
I'm recording, you're recording.
I'm recording, you're recording.
On the road again. It's great to be back on the road again. I'm freezing my little nipples off.
I'm not even cold, I'm actually really warm.
It's because you're hot.
Yeah, you're full of shit.
Oh.
Do you know, sometimes I still can't believe that I ride a motorbike.
You ride a motorbike?
I do.
I did not know that. You know, we've not even done an intro yet.
Oh. Hey guys.
Hey guys, yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. You've already probably just had a bit of a laugh with our antics, and we've only been on the road for 2 minutes. But
standard.
I'll see you after the intro, and we'll tell you where we're going.
That was a long intro.
Oh yeah, well, I'm waiting to get back onto the lane stuff before we start.
Oh, okay.
People do not want to see fucking shameless council estate, do they?
Hey, my mum lives down here. Okay.
It's a good job that your mum doesn't watch our videos.
She fits, but Wayne lives down here. This second one on the right, second street on the right, is where Julie lives.
What, this one down here?
Yeah.
Hi, Julie!
Hi, Julie!
Oh. Can we get serious now, can we?
Can we what?
We have an audience to please.
I can't hear ya.
We are professionals, don't you know? Can you please be serious?
I am being serious.
Oh.
Can't hear ya.
Oh, so guys, this morning we've managed to sort out childcare. Fingers crossed everything went okay. I've not had any messages to say that it didn't go okay, so that is always a good sign. So we are heading out to the Longitch Diner out in Southam. We are meeting up with the Motorrev boys. We're also meeting up with Simon and Dave. And we have a little tag along with us today, don't we, Kay?
We do.
Who have we got tag along with us?
My stepsister, Stevie.
Yeah.
And her fiancé, Alex.
Yeah, but he rides a Harley though, doesn't he?
He does ride a Harley, so he's a nice guy, but other than that, yeah, he rides a Harley, so...
Yeah, and he also rides...
Takes off a couple of points, don't it?
It sort of does take off a couple of points, and he also rides a Ducati as well, which knocks off...
a ramp!
No, don't go up the ramp.
Oh.
But then again though, you two at the minute are suited for each other. You've got your cruiser, he's got his cruiser.
Yeah, but mine's not a Harley.
No, it's better.
Oh yeah, it's better than Harley, yeah.
Oh shit.
What? What? What?
What? I forgot to bring fucking spare GoPro batteries. Oh no, I've got one battery. Oh. I got everything charged up last night as well, didn't we?
Yeah, you did, yeah.
Yeah. That just goes to show how long it's been since we've been out on the bike.
This is true.
I've forgotten what I've got to do.
Okay, the heated grip's going on now because my fingers are a bit cold.
You are?
I said the heated grips are going on now, my fingers are a bit cold.
Oh, okay. Ooh, house for sale.
What? Yeah, it's not even that nice.
How do you know? It might be nice inside.
Might be.
Never judge a book by its cover.
I'm judging a house by the front.
You know, I never judged you by your cover, and you turned out to be a great person.
Oh, what was my cover?
You
No,
broke up then? You broke up then,
Yeah,
sorry.
of course I did, yeah.
Yeah.
That's loud. And I've lost
Oh, I've lost her. Oh, hello there.
Hello.
Well, I've had my fun. I'm going to switch my camera off until we get there now, save the battery.
Okay.
So guys, we shall see you at the Long Itch.
Well, yeah. Who? Where are you stopping, darling? Ooh. Jesus, mate, what are you looking for? A friggin' mile to get out? I can't get past people. Where are you gone? Okay. Whee! I'm just gonna turn around.
Okay.
Clap, clap. You got the clap.
Clap, clap, clap.
Who's got the clap? You've got the clap.
Clap, clap, clap. Oh, fuck it.
Yay, my engine management light is not on.
You are a good looking man. You are a strong looking man. Such a neat guy. Clear, 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 clear. Hi, Dave. Okay, it's the front button. The front one. You're just pressing buttons. Oh, there you go. Now you're recording, I think. No. I think that's... Yeah, it just keeps flashing. It goes red and then goes green, so it's like... It is at the back! Yeah, it keeps going... No, I don't know what it's doing. It's on green. Yeah. Turn it off, yeah. There you go. Thing is, when we got back there, it said you had 86 files, so I'm wondering if all day you've been in time lapse or something. There you go.
I was clapping.
She's still holding it. She's like this. She's like, ah!
I'm not in neutral. We've got a YMCA going on.
Oh, it's gone green again. I see planes.
Oh, that's a big plane.
The plane, the plane. Did someone say turn right?
Left.
Man, I'll cover right on the
Corner. And me. Are you parking your bike next to Simon? Oh look, there's always one idiot, isn't there? Look, we're all going round in a nice line and... Well, I'm not. I'm about to go into the side of you. Okay. I like a good sandwich. Bagsy being the chicken. No, you can produce the salad cream. Ugh.
Oh, these are disgusting.
Yeah, we are. Bye. 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 Oh, pink car. Yeah. Indicator. Oh, okay. Sorry, I forget you have self-cancelling ones.